Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about relational operators and logical operators in shell scripting. Whereas whenever you deal the relational operators or logical operators in C programming, it's pretty easy. But while we are using the logical operators or any relational operators in shell scripting, it will be different than all other languages because here you need to, here you need to follow a specified format in order to use them. Here in order to use relational operators you need to specify this, this you need to specify this letter, eq means relational operator. You need to place in between of two variables to check whether the two variables are equal or not. So this is the operator, and here this is the description. See, here it is equivalent to double equal to in our C programming, and here NE means not equal to, and GT means greater than or not, and LT means less than, and GE means greater than or equal, LE means less than or equal. See, here we will directly use the symbols while we are programming in C language, but whereas in shell scripting you need to use this this small amount of letters or words, whatever you may call that. So you need to use this in order to perform relational operators or any logical operations. In logical operations also we are having some letters to do some operations. So O for logical or, and A for logical and exclamation mark for negotiation, not operation. See, this is how the relational operators will be relational operations to be done in shell scripting. Let me show an example. Okay, so now I am checking. I am going to take two variables, a equal to 10 and b equal to a, and we will check whether the both variables are having same values or not. So in this I am going to cover the control structures also, how to use if, else, and else if, like that. Okay, I will only cover if condition here because in order to check that, in order to show a demo about relational operators you need to use some control structures like if. So in in later videos I will explain about the control structures in a clear way. Till then you hold. Okay, if dollar a, here I am going to check whether the content of a equal to content of b. So in order to do that you need to use minus eq. See, here before eq you need to place minus, and then you need to place the variables minus eq and dollar b, and again you need to place this brace. So here the spaces plays a major role. You need to specify the spaces. You need to specify the spaces before and after the braces and the condition. So if you not do that, then you may get or may not get the result. And after using if, you need to use then, and then if a equal to b, then we need to print they are equal. Echo they are equal. See, this is how we do. Else if it is not, then we will use else then echo they are not equal. See, this is how we write if condition, and at last you need to place fi. So here fi is representing that if condition is the if condition is going to stop at here. So that is what we are saying by placing the fi here. And let me run this script by using sh space f dot sh. If then unexpected. Okay, there is some syntax error. Insert. Okay, if sorry, we need to place it here fi. Okay, let me remove this else condition, and I will explain this later. fi. Okay, illegal number a. Okay, let me solve this error. Okay, let me assign this also 10. See here we got they are equal. And if you want to know about if you want to place any other condition like uh, NE not equal minus NE, and let me check whether they are equal or not. If it is false, then it won't get print anything. See here, we did not got any output because they are not equal. They are equal, so that the condition is false. So we didn't write else case, so nothing is printed. And here less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to will be will be performed like this by placing a hyphen in front of this LT or in front of this GE. So this is how we do relational operators in shell scripting. And coming to logical operators, these are the three things you need to remind. So one is negotiation, logical or, and logical and. Okay, let me do that. Okay, sorry, I need to hit I and minus O. Let me check whether it is okay. What we will get the output. See here we got the output as equal because in OR operator, the logical OR operation, if any one input is 1, then the other automatically the output will be also 1. So we the condition is evaluated as 1. This is true, so that we got executed our condition. So okay, let me do one thing, and I will place an AND condition. Wait a minute. Okay, I will place here 0, B as 0, logical and. Okay, B equal to 0, and I think something is wrong with this because here 10, A is 10 and B is 0. Logical operation of 10 and 0 will be 0, but I don't know why it is getting as they are equal. Okay, I don't know why it is saying like this. Okay, let me see. So now also it is printing that they are equal. I think here $A and $B are equal, and okay, I don't know why it is printing echo they are equal. So I think there is an error. Okay, leave it. So this is how we use the logical operators by using these symbols. For AND operation you need to do this. Okay, or let me check this whether it will work or not. We will do one thing. Okay, some x equal to. Okay, we will do this and we will check whether we will get the output or not. Okay, 0 not found. Okay, wait a minute. Echo x, echo $x. Okay. Oh, okay, leave it. So this is how we do logical operators and relational operators in shell scripting. So this is what all I got for this video. If you want any further explanation, then you can come to our Discord server. I hope you like watching this video. Have a great day.